Hello. So today is June 12th. Since June 12th, it's Independence Day, and at the same time, it's our day 12 of our 90-day challenge. So yeah, hindi ako nakapag-upload for the past few days because I've been busy. Pero I've been doing my work din naman. Though hindi ako nakapag-jogging, I make an alternative by doing a home workout or a workout. Kasi I've been on a training from June 12 still kaninang tanghali. So yeah, life is busy. And as for today, since hindi nga tayo nakapag-jogging since nasa seminar nga, ang daming scenes And pagdating ko kanina around 2 p.m. diretso tayo kain sa City Mall. And pagdating dito sa bahay, tulog. So hindi na naman tayo nakapag-workout or anything. Hindi man tayo nakapag-jogging. Kasi tulog tayo hanggang alas 8 or alas 6. So yeah. And I decided na mag-home workout na lang, but my biceps are feeling sore. So I can't do push-up or anything. So since it's Independence Day, araw ng kalayaan, palayain muna natin yung ating katawan. Wala sa mga paghihirap and pagsubok na tayo rin yung may gawa. Tayo rin yung nag-decide. So June 12 will be a rest day. And tomorrow, maaga ulit kami for the SGLG validation sa office. So hopefully, afternoon, babalik tayo. Balik tayo. Bumalik ka na! Huy! Ayun na lang.